You have been writing Python wrong and you don't even know it. Tell me, is true the same as 1 in Python? Most beginners say no. Most intermediate devs say yes, and they are both wrong. Today I'm going to show you a piece of code that prints 4 lines, and I guarantee you cannot predict all 4 outputs correctly. Let's go. A equal brackets, B equal brackets, C equal A, print within parentheses A equal B, print A is B, print A is C, A dot append 1 print C. Here's the code. We have two empty lists, A and B, then C equals A. We check A equal B, A is B and A is C. Then we append 1 to A and we print C. Pause the video right now and write down all 4 outputs. I will wait. Alright, let's break this apart slowly. Line 1, A equal B. Both are empty list, same value, so this is true. Line 2, A is B. Now here's where it gets interesting. Even though they look at same, A and B are two different objects in memory. Python created them separately. So is check identity, not value. This is false. Line 3, A is C. Remember, we wrote C equal A. This doesn't copy the list. It points C to the same object that A is pointing to. Same memory address. So this is true. Line 4, we append 1 to A, then print C. And C print 1, even though we never touch C, because C and A are pointing to the same list in memory. Whatever you do to A, C sees it too. So here's the rule. Equals compares values. Is compares identity, the memory address. An assignment with equal doesn't copy object. It just creates a new label pointing to the same thing. This is called aliasing and it causes real bugs in production code. If you actually want a separate copy of a list, do this. And since I promise is true the same as 1, type true equal 1 in Python. You get true because Python creates true as the integer 1 internally. But true is 1. That gives you true 2. Because Python only ever creates one true object. Mind blown? Like and subscribe and drop in the comments did you get all 4 outputs right.